Hello, everybody. I'm Giulio Mazzotti. I'm the CEO of Woodskin, and today I'm here to tell you a little bit more about what we do and how we do it. It was something that I had in mind to do since a long time, and this finally is the day. So here we are in our brand new facility, an R&D facility we recently opened beside our actual production, which we might visit in another video. And here is where the magic happens. So here is where we develop new aspects of our technology, from the softwares to composites and materials, and then of course machinery. So Woodskin is a large team. We're today about 20-30 people. We are passionate engineers, architects and designers, computational designers mainly, very passionate about details, materials, and of course advanced manufacturing and digital fabrication technology. So let's take a look at the space. So what is Woodskin? Woodskin is a digital fabrication technology that is a combination of three main factors. Softwares. Here we are in our digital environment. Software is definitely a crucial part of what we do. We developed a series of tools to deliver unprecedented results in a very short time. We're able to play with surfaces as you would do with textiles, so we can adapt products to your projects in real time. Even when it comes to large complex surfaces like this one, we don't have to model, but we can generate our surfaces keeping in mind all the constraints of the real world and the behaviors of our material. And this is very important. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Definitely a different world than the artisanal one. Woodskin behaves like a large origami, a rigid origami in fact. Steel, paper, it's not actually rigid, or as wood or metal are. So we can run scripts to make sure that your ideas are actually producible, planar, so flat, and will not create any problem in production or on site. Then at this point, the surface is fully engineered by automatically adding all the elements that makes it easy to install, to inspection, to add lights, sprinklers, and so on. So anything you need. Now it's production time. So the final results, it's to split the surface into clusters of polygon that are computationally nested into the least production sheets as possible. So to save time, money, and ultimately, but very importantly, natural resources. Our material, Woodskin, exists both in the real world and in the virtual world. What does it mean? Well, it means that it's a digital material. And a digital material because we also developed a special composite, which is made of rigid materials and textiles that bond together, create the potential to free all rigid materials from the flat state and to bring them into the three-dimensional state. Once processed, the textile will act as a hinge. A textile hinge with high tier strength, a product made for architectural purposes to become the next generation of acoustic ceilings, walls, and volumes you will design. We provide the technology and the know-how so you can sit back and think big. So we're able to absorb from the market an incredible variety of material that goes from wood to cork to metals and to the laminates, to mention a few. Now you can mix and match these options or come up with new ones, such as materials and finishes you're already using in your project and that you want to transform into something different and unique. So by doing so, you don't only create new aesthetics, but each materials will add performances to the equation. Wood reflects sounds, felt absorbs it, metal has better fire reaction, and so on. Woodskin allows you to free the rigid and flat materials as you know them, to bring them into the digital era, and to transform them into astonishing three-dimensional surfaces. The third step of our process is machining. We use state-of-the-art CNC machines from our partners, such as Biesse, to perform extremely precise milling actions with tolerances beyond woodworking. Where we subtract material, we create a hinge. An intricate and complex pattern of hinges that brings to life our geometries. Flat materials become 3D shapes, as it happens with 3D printing, for example, but on a larger scale and with the materials you love. A direct file-to-machine process that makes production extremely compact and fully automated to reduce time, keep everybody safe, and with the right distances in a smooth and balanced interaction between people and machines. A one-step fabrication process with virtually unlimited results. A design grammar that starts from a blank sheet of material of your choice and by adding lines programs the matter to become, by folding and one ship on side flat, the idea you had and the design you made. Results are often simple and beautiful, such as nature-inspired patterns up to 3D shape-shifting shapes you would have never imagined to be able to realize in wood or fine finishes.